center leaders' growth and effort. There will be an opportunity to share evidence, as we said. They will produce their certificates. They will bring evidence of what they've developed, created, and so much more. There will be an opportunity to strengthen district ownership. I think I've used that word this morning as well. How do you take ownership? But I think this Scale 2 year, colleagues, is really an opportunity to own this and to make sure that it's implemented, integrated, embedded, that it almost becomes a seamless part of how our practitioners and teachers nurture and develop our children. And it will be an opportunity to transition to sustainability. Colleagues, when the project ends at the end of 2026 and VVOB is no longer there, please don't say, okay, learning through play, we're now putting you in a corner. Because I will be coming to check on you no matter where I find myself. Participatory reflection, it must be a lively event. You must get teachers, practitioners, the PLC groups to really reflect, to participate with energy, evidence sharing, recognition, and then coming back to what you said, sustainability commitments, pledging. I will continue to do this seamlessly. I will make sure that our children experience learning through play. Went in Umlazi last year, so they're not part of this group, and the district director gave such a powerful, I don't even want to call it a speech. It was something else. It was really, she was excited, she was enthused, and I think the practitioners and the teachers appreciated it because it came from the district leadership. So please, who will be there? Your district leadership, your district training teams, school and center leaders, practitioners and teachers, PLC coordinators, partners, community people. About, I think at the end of the pilot, we went to, I hope I'm going to get this right now, I'm not sure if it was Newcastle, and the local councillor attended as well and gave a commitment to support it. So look for your community leaders, invite them, make them aware of this amazing project that we are trying to get off the ground. There will be PLC showcases, and it comes back to what you said, ma'am. They will come with what they developed, and maybe it will be part of the PLC showcases. Data and impact stories, creative presentations. It could be in the form of videos. It could be in the form of role plays. Be creative, be innovative. Go the whole way. Recognition and certificates, as Casey said. And then again, take note, I keep reminding you, forward commitments. Transitioning to sustainability. You've got a good grounding now after Paul's session. It's clear how we're going to move forward with PLCs. What district commitment can be made publicly? And remember, colleagues, celebration must create momentum, secures sustainability. And with that, colleagues, again, I want to say from VVOB's side, our commitment is there to support you. If you have questions, reach out. If you need us to be present, remember we also just a few, we can't be everywhere all the time. So please make sure you inform us timeously because we would love to be there.